Hey guys, welcome back to Tales and Trails, and how you all doing? I know it's been long. I've been uploading any videos on YouTube or anything as such. It is because I'm a little busy with my life doing something else. I've been riding motorcycles, but not every day. So I've been taking it out like kabhi kabhi. So that's happening, and I've done a lot of changes in my motorcycle. From after the Chirala ride, I've changed the suspension oil. I've greased the cone set again, and probably a few minor changes. It has got new auxiliary lamps now. I have to thank one of my friend out there again for this. And today there's a huge problem on motorcycle, and my motorcycle doesn't have brakes. So we're going to work on the brakes. There was a small issue with my brakes that, if you remember, there is a brake hosing here. So it got punctured because when we were working on the cone set, it got punctured, and the oil from here was actually getting spilled on the tank whenever I pressed the brake lever. So that was happening. So I called up Royal Enfield and asked, do they have the new brake hose? But there was no stock. But they're kind, they work towards it, and they're getting the brake hose in like 3 days from Chennai to Hyderabad, and they're fixing that on my motorcycle. And so today I want to try something new with Royal Enfield. I've been taking this to Royal Enfield a lot of times, but past 1 year it hasn't seen the service center, and it's not going to today also, because I have booked Royal Enfield service on wheels. I want to try that thing out, Royal Enfield service on wheels. Basically it's just that they come home, service your motorcycle and go back. You just have to book this thing a day prior so that they'll know what is wrong with your bike and carry space and all of that. So he's gonna be here within like 5-10 minutes. I've booked the service at 4 PM in the evening. He's gonna get my spares and the tools he need to fix it. He's gonna fix it and give me the motorcycle. And that is how service on wheels works. And you don't have to pay anything extra. Basically, how much you pay at the service center, it's the same that you have to pay here also. If you're paying like 1300 or 1400 for a service, an oil change, it's the same when it's coming to your home and doing it as well. And keeping Corona into consideration, this is a very good step by Royal Enfield, and I'm gonna try that thing out today. So let's see, service on wheels by Royal Enfield. So the Royal Enfield service on wheels is here, and he's already working on my motorcycle. So basically right now he's just removing the tank so that he can access this area of the motorcycle, because that's where the ABS unit sits. The ABS unit actually sits somewhere here. So the hose from the here is going to go there, and they're going to be an outlet from there to the disc of the motorcycle. So the hose which connects the lever to the ABS unit is gone. So we are working on that particular thing at this point of time, and that is Satish out there. He just wanted to see how the ABS unit looks like, and he's just prepping. If something happens to his motorcycle on the ride,
yeah,
he's gonna work on it.
I'm gonna remove ABS and put a direct connection.
So if anything wrong happens on the ride to his motorcycle, he's just gonna swap the BS3 brakes onto his motorcycle. So he's planning for that. And obviously off-road pe ABS to chahiye hi nahi.
Yeah, exactly.
And we like riding on the off-road. So this is the new brake hose that is going to fit on my motorcycle now. And so basically the brake hose connects from the lever to the ABS unit, and there is another hose, that is this particular hose, comes out from the ABS unit to the disc of the motorcycle. So where is my old brake hose? Yeah, so here is my old brake hose. If you can see, so this connects to the lever, but there is a small puncture here because of wear and tear. So we are replacing this particular wire, and Royal Enfield service on wheels is doing this for me. So while he's working on the motorcycle, let's go just take a look at this particular motorcycle. That is service on wheels by Royal Enfield. Well, this is a Royal Enfield Trails 350, which is equipped with the Royal Enfield accessories. That is the panniers and a top box. This is not up for sale, which we badly need, but we don't have one. So basically two of these panniers and top box come with all the spares and tools that we need to work on the motorcycle. So right here you can see these are some basic set of spanners, Allen keys and screwdrivers and pliers that we need to use on the motorcycle. And ye dabbe mein we have gloves, my brake fluid, and there was even my what do you call, the brake hose, and probably I think this dabba is khali. We have my brake lever here and few zip ties that we need to zip after all the process is done. So these panniers usually carry all of the spare parts and tools that we need to fix the motorcycle, and this is a pretty good option from Royal Enfield to work on your motorcycles at home at your ease. So I think Service on Wheels is a good yes from my end. So we just fixed the brake lever. This is where the previous wire got punctured, and this is the wire which goes and connects to this place of the unit, and the other wire comes out and goes to the front wala jo maine bataya tha. So we just completed fixing the brake lever and the brake hose like you saw, and now it's time for us to bleed the brakes. So basically the oil which we use here is .3 or .4, and that's what Royal Enfield recommends. Now we are going to fill the oil into the brake reservoir. This is the front brake reservoir and this is the rear brake reservoir. We're going to start bleeding the brakes now in like 3, 2, 1. This is the new spark plug we have, and we're going to replace this as well right now. Satish, could you please unbox the spark plug? Smooth ga, gatti ga. Smooth ga.
Sorry she said that, bro. Yes.
So this is our new spark plug which is gonna go here. This is the condition of our old spark plug. It is fine, it's not that bad, but it's been 22,000 kilometers. So let's basically change the spark plug for once and for all for next 15-20,000 kilometers, and it's sorted. And our spark plug naya wala is out there already. So we have completed fixing the motorcycle totally. Now the brakes are all right. We have the new spark plug, and this is the brake hose that we changed. Everything feels nice. The bike starts well. Now we're doing one final thing, that is we are actually adjusting the chain tension. So now we'll all be set with this. So this is the Service on Wheels by Royal Enfield, and this has worked really well for me. I didn't have to go out of my house to service my motorcycle. This was actually a major issue, the braking issue, but he has done it really well. I'd really thank Rohit for this, like telling me about Service on Wheels. Rohit is RRC Hyderabad, and yes, he was like, Anish, why don't you just try Service on Wheels? It'd be very comfortable for you with your work life. And this has really worked out for me. I think everyone should try this out. People who own Royal Enfield Continental GTs or Interceptors or Himalayans or any Royal Enfield motorcycle, this works. So I think Service on Wheels is a big yes from my side. And that's it, guys. See you in the next one, and do try out Service on Wheels by Royal Enfield. I'd link down all the required information to book your slots for Service on Wheels, and pretty much that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next.